Alright. Hi everybody, I am going to show you how to turn in a picture for your quiz assignments, okay? To do this I have to go into a class that I'm a part of, but what you will do, you'll go into your classwork, you will go find the assignment that you want. So right now I'm going to use CAP 3 grade check as my example, but what you would find is week 1 quiz 1. Okay, click it, view assignment. To add your picture in, you will push in this add or create, and you will go to a file. Select from your device. Right now, let's say it's week 1 quiz 1, so you will push it. You will push open. You will then click upload as you're waiting for it to upload. After your first picture has uploaded, if you have 2 pages that you need to take a picture of, well then you will add or create, and you will add another link in there, or another file I mean, for the next page. But when you are done, you will just hit turn in, and you will push turn in again, and now it has been submitted for that quiz. Thanks.